Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing well. So let's start with the question. So the question is add two numbers. Okay, so you're given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. Okay, the digits are stored in reverse order. Okay, and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Okay, and you have to add two numbers and return the sum of the linked list. Okay, so let's see this example. Okay. Okay. So let's take this example. Okay. So we have one L1 which is linked list 2 is 4 and this is 3 and this pointing to null. Okay. Your head will point at it, so H1 is here. Similarly, you're given second linked list which is 5, 6, 4 and a null. Okay. Now they are in the reverse order. So if you arrange this number, so this will be equal to 342 and this will be equal to 465. Okay, so you have to do the sum of these number. Okay, if you do the sum, it will be 7, 5 plus 2, 4 plus 6 is 10. We'll do carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8. Okay, so we have reversed the number and we calculate the sum. Okay, so let's calculate the sum from right to left also. Okay, so we calculate 2 plus 5 is 7. This is 7. Now after this 4 plus 6 is 10, but in the question it's mentioned like only one node contains only a digit. So 10 is a two-digit number, so we'll not take it. So we'll take 0 and 1 will pass as a carry. Okay. So this will be having 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So as you can see, this is we are getting 708 null as a linked list, and this is in the reverse order. Okay. Let's take this example also. So how many 9? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's do the sum for this. So 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 you will keep 8 only and 1 will go in a carry. Okay. Then you will do 9 plus 9 again 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So you will keep 9 here and 1 will carry. Similarly 18 plus 1 19. So 9 will keep it here and 1 will go in carry. Now this is 9 plus 9 is 18 and 1 plus 19. So 9 will come here and 1 will go as a carry. Okay. After this 9, like the second linked list is empty, but you have a carry and your first digit is also there. So you will do 9 plus 1 which is 10. So you will take 0 here and 1 will go carry. Okay. Then you will do 9 plus 1 again it will become 0 and this is your 1. So this is your last digit. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. And this one will go in carry. And if there is any node digit after this, but your carry is greater than 1, so you will consider it. Okay. So you will write down here and this will be your final output. Okay. As you can see, we are getting the same output as here. Okay. So let's see how we can approach this question. Okay. So let's see how we can approach this question. So if you know like what we will do, so we need what we will do, we will create a new linked list, okay, for the output list, okay. But whenever we are doing the sum, we need to store it like there should be some pointer which will point to this because let's say your H1 is here, your H2 is here, and your new list head is here, okay. Now after this, what you will do, your H1 will come here, then H2 will come here, your this head will also need to be here because it needs to get the value from these two and store it there. Okay, so for this we need some sort of a starting node which can give, which like when we result the output, this head pointer should be written. Okay, so what we will do, we'll create a same approach as we do for the linked list question. We will create a dummy node. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a dummy node. So this is our dummy node. Okay, and dummy next will do like this. 1 second. Okay, so we create a dummy node and this will be our current head. Okay, so what we will do, we will take two more variable also. So we'll take one carry variable which will start from 0 and we'll take one variable, let's say or current. Okay, Let's give a generic name. It will be storing the sum 0. Okay, it will not start from 0, it will take the value always from C. Okay, so what we will do, we'll do like we'll take h1 value and we'll take h2 value and we will calculate the sum. Okay, so what we will do, so we'll calculate a sum. Okay, so sum is equal to 9 plus 9, which is 18. Okay, so for the carry, what we will do, okay, let's do it like this. So carry will always calculate like sum divided by 10 and your, let's give this current name only. Okay, so this will be current is always calculate like you will do uh, sum modulo 10. Okay, so let's see how we'll solve this. So for this case, you can see sum is 9 plus 9, 18, and your current, your C will be sum divided by 10. So if you do 18 divided by 10, this will become 8, 1. And if you do the current, it will be like, and you take the current value will always be from previous carry. So carry, previous carry is 0. So you will do current equal to 0 plus sum modulo 10. Sum modulo 10 is 8. Okay, so you will store current in your new linked list. So you will create a new node which is of 8. Okay, this will be a new node. You will increase your head, so it will come here, head will point at here. And after this, what you will do, you will move your h1 also and you will move your h2 also. Okay, so we'll calculate this. So we again calculate 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, and you will do carry. Before carry, you will calculate this current. Okay, so current will be calculate like you will do. So current for this case is equal to C plus sum modulo 10. Okay, so C in this case is 1. Okay, as you can see, 1 we carry in the above. So this will be 1 plus sum is 18 again, and you will do divide by 2 modulo 2. Okay, so this will give you, so this will become 1 plus 8 and this is 9. Okay, so your current will be 18 and you will do, so you will do C plus sum, and C, your carry will be 1 in previous case and sum is now 18, so this will become 19. So from this 19 you first calculate again the carry. So carry will be your current module divided by 10. So this will be 19 divided by 10, so this will be 1. So you will pass next carry as 1. Okay, and you will do for this case is 19 mod 10 and this will give you 9. So for this case you get 9. You will move further, your head will come here, your h1 will increase, similarly your h2 will go further. Now you again calculate the sum. So sum is 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 plus 1 9 is, your current will now become again 19. So you again calculate this carry. So carry will be 1. So you will pass 1 as a carry in the next, and you will do 19 mod 10. So this will give you 9. So you will keep 9 here. And after this, you will move your h head and you also move this h1 also and this h2 also. Okay, again you will calculate the sum. So this will be 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 plus 1 is carry, so it will be 19. Again you will calculate your carry. So carry will be 19 divided by 10, which will give you 1. Okay, so your next carry is 1. You will move your h1, you will move your h2. Okay, and you will do for the current digit, what you will do, you will do 19 mod 10 and it will give you 9. You will move further. Okay, after this, as you can see, your h1 have some data but h2 is null, so we'll do the processing for h1 only. Okay, so h1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so now your current become 10. Okay, so we will calculate carry. So 10 mod 10 divided by 10 equal to 1, and you will do the mode for current. So your next carry will be 1 and head 1 will come here, and your current will be 10 more 10, which will give you 0. Okay, so you will keep 0 here. You will increase your h, so h will at this point. Okay, after this you will again calculate the same. 9 plus 1 is 10, so your current become 10. You will calculate the carry, 10 divided by 10, so which will give you 1, and you will pass c equal to 1 here, and your h1 will point here, and this will be only having 0, and it will calculate the next. Similarly, it will do 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, you will do 10, and you will calculate the carry. So carry will be 10 divided by 10, which will give you 1. Again, you will pass the 1 here, your h1. Okay. So you will again get the 0, because from current you will do 10 more 10. Okay. Now we'll do the loop only for while h1 is not equal to null, or h2 is not equal to null. After this we come out of the loop and we'll check whether this carry is greater than 0. Okay, so if carry is greater than 0, that means we need to consider this, because in the question it mentioned you don't have to like maintain the leading 0 from the start, so you have to take this. So this will be 1. Okay, we'll create a new node of this. After this you will only having a null, so this will be the final output for our question. We'll just return dummy dot next, so this will be our final output. Okay, hope it will be clear to you. So let's write the code for this. Okay, so what we need a dummy node. List node dummy is equal to new list node. This will be having a value as 0. Okay, you will take a head, list node head equal to dummy. Okay, after this what you will do, while your L1 is not equal to null, or because there might be a situation your L1 become null or your L2 become null, but we have to do the processing. L2 is equal to null. Okay, so what we will do, we'll take a carry variable, so this will be our carry, which will be 0, start from 0, and we always calculate a current sum, so this will be start from always taking the value from C. Okay, so what we will do, we'll take the value of L1 dot value and we'll take the value of L2 dot value. So first we need to check whether L1 is not equal to null. So we'll take current plus equal to L1 dot value, and we'll do L1 equal to L1 dot next. So increase the pointer. Similarly, we check for L2. L2 is not equal to null, and your current plus equal to L2 dot value, and you will do L2 equal to L2 dot next. Okay, so after this what we need to do, we need to calculate our carry. So carry will be current divided by 10. Okay, and after this what we will do, head dot next will equal to new list node, and this will be having a value of current mode 10, because this is only contains only the single digit. Okay, after this what we will do, head equal to head dot. So this will be our final code. I think we have done with all. After this loop, what we need to return, dummy dot next. Okay, let's run the code. Let's see. So as you can see, this is accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, so we have missed one thing that I already told you. So the problem is, uh, like if your carry is greater than 1, greater than 0. So what you need to do, head dot next is equal to new list node, and this will be having a value of C. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting till 0. After this one we are not getting any value, so let's submit it again. As you can see, our code is submitted. The time complexity for this is, we are just going for over all the L1 and L2, so it's basically order of n plus m if I consider L1 as a n size and L2 as m size. Space, we are just using a dummy node, but we need to return list node, so it's also a constant space. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video.